Hi, Jagger. All right, so make sure before you submit, you are going to actually complete the test. So you are going to take your little mouse or pointer or whatever you have on your, if you're using a tablet, you are going to click and drag, okay? So you're just gonna click and drag, okay? So that's that one. For this one, you're gonna click the little box and you're gonna type, okay? So you're gonna type 1, 2, 3, or 4. This one, you are going to click and drag, just like the other one, for the correct answers for the sentences. This one, you're gonna click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. Same thing here, click and drag. Here, you're gonna click the little box and you're gonna number them. And then this one, you're gonna click and drag, okay? I hope this helps. Bye.